our first snowstorm of the season, and as you can see, the snow has started. So I'm just out here monitoring it to see what's going on and to see how much snow that's going to be accumulating. And here again is another check, and the snow has accumulated quite a bit right here. As you can see, it's coming down, and at some point I will be out there doing the cleanup, so I will take you with me. But for now, we wait. All right, so the storm has let up quite a bit, so we're gonna come out here now. It's starting to get dark out already, and as you can see, we have not accumulated a whole lot, so that's a good thing for our first storm. Hubby's already out here cleaning. The walkway is already done, and I'm gonna assist him in doing the driveway. And as we say, we're gonna be pelting shovels out here because it's not sufficient for the snowblower. So we're just gonna shovel it. Take our time and shovel it little by little. And Miss Dora is out here getting her playtime in the snow because she enjoys being out here in the snow. Is it light?
Huh?
Is the snow light?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Dora, what do you want? Don't jump on me.
What are you trying to blow out?
The blower? Okay. I mean, it's not a whole lot. We can both do, we can just, I'll grab a shovel.
Huh?
I'll grab a shovel and help. And off we go to get this work started. Make sure we clean the driveway up. Then we got to put another layer of salt down to prevent black ice, which is always a concern because it's so dangerous. And what I notice here as I'm shoveling is that the temperature has already dropped, and this is more icy than puffy snow. So it's heavy snow here that we're shoveling, and the snowblower would not work well with this type of snow. It's just heavy, wet snow. And so we just got to shovel the entire driveway to remove the snow and make sure that the surface is cleaned and safe for passage. Go in the garage, Dora. Come on. Go sit down. Go. Get out the cold now. Take a break. Come on. Go sit on the mat. Come on. Why are you up there? Get down. Dora, go sit down over here. And stop eating the snow. Go sit down. Good girl. Good girl. You gonna take a break? Take a break now. Oh, the snow is coming down again. It's coming down again. Oh, okay. winded. We're gonna have a lot of black ice tomorrow on the streets. I hope they delay schools in the morning so they can treat the roads first. Oh my God. That snow is already frozen on the tires. Here, here's your ball.
Yeah, we have a box.
No, I said, should I salt?
Yeah.
Dora, what's up? And now the shoveling is done, and hubby is scraping all the snow, the frozen snow off the windshield and the windows of the vehicles that are on the other side of the driveway. So I'm putting the salt down to treat the pavement from becoming frozen with a sheet of black ice, because that can be a safety hazard. Alright, so I'm done applying the ice melt, and as you can see, most of the snow had melted away and there's less room for black ice to form on the pavement, so we should be safe here. So I'm here in the garage just resting for a little bit because it's really hard to inhale the cold air. And if you've experienced spending any amount of time in the cold, breathing in that cold air, it's really difficult to do. It hurts your lungs. So I'm just here relaxing for a little bit and then we'll get going again. Hubby is right now scraping off the ice. It's become ice now because it's frozen. The temperature has dropped. It's still snowing. It is windy. As you can see, the plastic here is blowing in the wind. That side of the garage is closed, but this one's open where I'm sitting. But the wind is blowing snow all over. But the salt is now down on the areas where we've cleaned, like the front stairs, the walkway, the driveway, and he's now scraping all that ice off the windows and the windshield of the vehicle. So tomorrow when it's go time, everybody can get up, warm up their car and go. And Dora is still out there playing with her ball like nobody's business. Come here, girl. Come. She's got her ball playing in the snow. Drop it. Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? Go. Go get your ball. Good job. Good job, Dora. I'm not going to take it. Drop it. Good girl. Just wants to play. She loves playing in the snow, but you know, I just pay attention to make sure that she doesn't get too cold. All right, enough. So this is what is going on here with the snowstorm, and this is how we are managing it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video upload. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're experiencing any part of this storm. It is January 7th today. So if you're experiencing any of this storm, I believe it started yesterday in some areas, or probably the day before, if I'm correct. But this storm started last night and it went into today. So it started the 6th, went all the way into the 7th. And it's getting dark out now. It's still snowing, it's still windy out here, but we fared pretty well because we didn't lose any power, we didn't have any down trees or down limbs, so we made out pretty well.